Welcome back. Today we are doing the scale gizmo. So go ahead and open up your Blender and do new file, general, and let's save it as scale. Let's go ahead and set up Suzanne for sculpting with some matte caps and some resolution. Subdivide it to 5 and flip on over into sculpt mode. Control tab down. We are ready to get to scaling. So if you go down to the very bottom, you'll see scale. And this will bring up the scale gizmo. Notice it's got these little squares on the top, the back, and the side right here. If we rotate, you can see it a little bit better. And also the little squares in between all those. So that is going to let you scale your non-masked geometry in different orientations. You can even change the orientations just like the move and rotate. So let's go ahead and grab a mask brush and just grab maybe the ear. So I'm going to scale that up, do Shift F, and bring up our intensity, and just do the ear right here. And notice it didn't do it on the other side, but we could turn on our symmetry, and we can clear the mask with Alt-M. And then now if we just highlight and paint these ears, notice the other side's doing it as well. So that can always come in handy. And then invert the mask with Control-I. Now we can use our scale tool and scale. Just grab one of these little boxes here and scale things out, or just undo that. And you can just click and drag anywhere, and that will scale from the origin point, just like that. So that is how you would use the scale tool, just by clicking and dragging on those to increase the size of any part of your designs there for sculpting. And there we go. So now let's go ahead and jump into the next lesson, which is the transform gizmo.